So the first method you can use to influence your prospect to not procrastinate, to make them buy now, to not make them wait for tomorrow, is to tell them that you have got a limited quantity, of those products that you are selling, or tell them that you have got limited seats, if, for example, you are selling a seminar. So by saying that, you are highlighting scarcity. So us as human beings, we tend to value things that are dwindling in availability. We tend to appreciate, we tend to value things that are scarce, you see. Yeah, so tell them that you have got limited quantity or you've got a limited space, you see. That's what seminars, are using, to make people buy tickets, you see. So the second way you can make your prospect buy now, you see, is to tell them that your offer will not be available forever. It's gonna expire at this particular date. Let's say maybe it's the 1st of August. You can tell them that this offer is available, but it's going to expire at the 1st of August. So that influence them to act within that period of time you told them that this offer is only going to be available at this particular time, you see. The other thing that you can do to make your prospect buy now is to tell them that the prices, this price I'm selling this offer at, or this product at, is at a discounted price, you see. So but beyond or after the 1st of August, the price increase. So we all know that customers, they love discounts, you see. So that's how you make them buy right now, you see. I remember the other time, but they use the strategy of selling limited quantities, you see. I remember the other time I was in Newcastle, so I just bumped into these Alice pens, you see, and I wanted them, you see, but I wanted to buy them later. So I went to the cashier in the shop. I said, how much are these Alice pens? He told me the price. I said, I'm gonna be right back on Monday to buy them. And he told me that no, these pens are selling like hotcakes. When you come on Monday, you will find them not here, because they are moving so fast. So that influenced me to buy immediately, you see. So he used scarcity, he told me that this thing will not, there are huge chances that it will not be available on Monday when I come to buy them on Monday. So he used scarcity. Then he influenced me, then he persuaded me to buy them instantly, you see. So that's how you influence your prospect to buy your offer right now. You told them that you have got limited quantity, or you tell them that this offer is gonna expire, at this, after this particular date, or you tell them that within this period this offer is at a discounted price, but after this period you're gonna get it at a higher price. So all those things, they influence them, they influence your prospect to buy right now. We are tired, of customers that when we are pitching them, they tell us that I have to think about it, I have to talk to my wife, I have to talk to my business partner. We are tired of that as entrepreneurs, but you can make your prospect buy right now by using these 3 strategies. So by the way, I work as a copywriter, you see, but a business opportunity copywriter, which means I'm writing for businesses that are selling how to make money info products, you see. So if you are looking for that particular copywriter, don't hesitate to send me an email at sbo@sbotango.com. You had it right, sbo@sbotango.com. Also, if you learned 1 or 2 things out of this video, please ensure that you press the like button as a thank you, and subscribe, as well as press the notification bell. See you on the next video. Take care. Have a nice day.